Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I'm going to explain one new feature of JDK 15, that is records. A record is a new kind of class in a Java programming language. With this feature, Pojo class we can write just in a one line. How to write? I'm going to explain. See, first of all, I'll write one Pojo class. For example, employee class, which contains two instance variables, employee number and salary. These two I want to initialize with constructor. Then we'll go for parametered constructor. Two parameters I am passing, employee number, salary. These two are called local variables. Here, these two instance variables, these two local variables. Whenever instance variable and local variable names are same, if you want to access instance variable, we use this keyword. So this dot employee number equal to employee number. This dot salary equal to salary. To access these variables, I'll write getter methods, integer get employee number. Here return employee number. Here implicitly this keyword present. Float get salary. Here return salary. Here also implicitly this keyword present. Now employee superclass is object class, because object is a default class in every class implicitly inherited. Object class toString method I'll override here, public string toString. ToString method returns string representation of object. So here employee object contains employee number and salary. These two I'll concatenate as a string and I'll return. So return implicitly this keyword, this dot employee number plus slash t plus salary. Now employee number and salary concatenated as a one string and return. Now this employee class I want to access in demo class. I'm writing one demo class. In this I'm writing main method, public static void main string args. Now I'll create object of employee class, employee equal to new employee. It will take two parameters, employee number and salary. Now I want to access getter methods. For calling getter method, I'll use object reference e. Integer some x equal to e dot get employee number. I want to print this. System dot out dot println x. Instead of writing two lines, this code we can write in a one line also. So I'll write here e dot get employee number and system dot out dot println e dot get salary. If you want to call toString method, just you need to pass object reference as a parameter in a println method. It is implicitly toString method called. Now if I compile and execute, output will be here employee number 101 comes, here salary 5000 comes, here E means implicitly toString method called, with that employee number tab spaces comes and salary 5000 printed. See, file, save. I'll compile this program. Javac demo.java. Compilation success. Execution Java demo. See, employee number 101, employee salary 5000, here string representation of object data 101 5000. This is already you studied. Now this complete employee class we are calling as Pojo class. This class just we can write in a one line. See, this complete code I'll remove, I'll delete. See, now just one keyword record and employee class name, and which takes employee number, which takes salary. That's it. Remaining all automatically generated. It doesn't appear to you. Now if I save, see, file, save. I'll compile Javac demo.java. See what will happen. We are getting one error because this is preview feature. It is not finalized. In future versions may be finalized. That is the reason you have to compile with this option. See, by default disabled. If you want to enable -enable -preview option, we have to use while compiling. See, Javac -source 15. After that -enable -preview demo.java. Like this you have to compile. Now still we are getting two errors. Reason, we are writing getter method get employee number, get salary like this, but in record class what will be happen, just employee number comes. That's what we have to remove get. Here just employee number, like a variable name type only you have to write, just salary. Here employee number, salary. Here also same employee number, salary you have to write. File, save. Compilation. See, program successfully compiled. Now I'll execute. Java -enable -preview demo. See, employee number 101, salary 5000. This is with toString method it is called. See, Pojo class we are writing as a record class just in a one line. See, here employee number, here salary. Method names also must be employee number, salary. See, the complete Pojo class we written as a record class just in a one line. This is a new feature of JDK 15. Okay.